Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Okay, here's the problem. As you see by this beautiful lemon tree, they are huge. This one right here is as big as my hand. There's tons of them, and we can't save them all. They come all harvest at the same exact time. Can't eat enough fish to use all those. And then I have this, tons of those. We've got to figure out how we're going to preserve these so they don't rot. Then I have this problem. Oh, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas. Thank
you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Clint Eastwood. All right, this is our grapefruit tree. Never thought in a million years that we would have grapefruit. Miracle Grow is an amazing fertilizer. It loves it. All the fruit trees love it. Then I have over there is the Valencia orange tree, which is right there. Luckily, that hasn't produced any fruit. And because I love grapefruit, I don't want to waste any of these. I can't eat them fast enough. So let me share with you what I did to fix the problem. Oh, and I wanted to share this with you. I took 3 of the deer slayers, we call them, and have one pointing that way, one pointing that way, and one pointing this way. So when the deer come in, guess what? No matter what, they get hammered. So we have far less deer coming up to eat our flowers up there. Just thought I'd throw that in. Okay, so here's just a few of the lemons, and here's what we came up with for the fix of our problem of having so much citrus that we don't have any place to store it. We can't eat it fast enough. So I thought, well, I'm going to give this thing a shot, and I got to tell you folks, this is an amazing little tool. It's actually pretty awesome. You know how most of the old ones would spin, get full of pulp, and then they would get clogged up. This one doesn't do that. Watch this. And you can close it and let it build up. And I don't. I just leave it open. But I'll take this right here. And you watch the juice come out down here. And these lemons are ready. And I pretty much got all of the juice out of there. We'll do another one. So if you like fresh squeezed orange juice in that, this thing is well worth it. And if you stop and go like that, it'll go back the other way. And what we're going to do is freeze it. Really coming out of there. That's how much we've gotten in just 2 lemons. Almost 10 ounces in 2 lemons. I always say limes, but lemons. Now, up here, we have all the pulp. Now, we want to get that juice out of that as much as you can. So you take this cover right here, you place it on top, and you push down, and you'll see more juice come out when I do that. See how fast it spins it? Where's the juice that would have been wasted? It's like a fast spin cycle on your washing machine. Then to clean, it is so simple to clean. You pull that out, spray it off. You pull this off, spray that out. Spray this off, and it's done. Clean. This is awesome, pure lemon juice. Yum. I wasn't really sure on how to title this video because it's kind of just me sharing with you a predicament that everybody runs into predicaments and then you don't know what to do. And there's machinery out there like this little rig right here. I could not be more impressed with it. It's unbelievable and it's affordable. Now, quick tip time. This is our smoked salmon. We used cherry wood to smoke that, and I wish I could give you some of this to try it, because this is center cut salmon from Joe Patty's Seafood. And what I did was I tried to keep the inside temperature, get it up to 135, and I smoked it in our big smoker. Mr. Know-It-All, out. GoPro, stop recording.